Hello everyone, my name is Pavitra. Today I am going to talk about credit rating. In India, CRISIL, Credit Rating and Information Service of India Limited, was set up as the first rating agency in 1987, followed by ICRA in 1991 and Credit Analysis and Research Limited in 1994. First, we know the meaning of credit rating. The concept of credit rating is a formal assessment of a company's worthiness and its capacity to meet payment schedules on time. Credit rating helps to investors by providing an easily recognizable symbolic credit quality of instruments. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎ ಗ್ರೇಡ್, ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್, ಎ ಗ್ರೇಡು, 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸು, 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸು, ಈ ಥರ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು? ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅವರು. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್, ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಅವರು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಂಪನಿಯ ವರ್ತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೀ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ. ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ process involves detailed exercise involving of financial statements, visit to the factory and offices of the company, holding of discussions with auditors, bankers or creditors. The various factors which are to be examined at the time of credit rating of the investments are business analysis. First one business analysis. The analysis of business relating to the risk involved with the competition from others. Market factors ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ, ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನು, ಆಮೇಲೆ the operating efficiency of the business is also to be taken for credit rating. Second one, financial analysis business. The credit rating agency also examines the accounting quality relating to the methods of depreciation, income recognition, treatment of bad debts, contingent liabilities, and likewise it also analyzes the adequacy of cash flows of the corporate units. Third one is fundamental analysis. The rating agencies considers the company's liquidity management, capital structure, debt coverage, long-term and short-term solvency, matching of cash inflows to outflows, and ratio analysis of the company at the time of rating of the instruments. The other factors which are to be taken into consideration are profitability and financial position, historic profits. Therefore, these are the fundamental factors which affects on credit rating. Fourth one is management evaluation. The factors of management like the position of promoters, managers and top executives, planning and control systems, capacity to adjust with flexibility, foresight to meet the adverse situations, goal setting, monitoring and evaluation with a view to achieve the goal are the major factors of credit rating. Thus, the management profile also determines the credit rating. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. When a rating is to made, the structure and regulatory framework of the financial system of the corporate sector are to be taken into consideration. Sixth one, the government policy. The policies of the government regarding an industry or company can have an impact on the rating of instruments. The government policies like custom duty, excise duty, fiscal policy, etc. may have direct effect on rating system. Seventh one ಇದೆ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿಯವರು. ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪರೆನ್ಸಿ ಇನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದ ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ information supplied by the company. Similarly, the capital structure of the company is also an important factor to determine the rating of the instruments. The debt equity ratio, the financial policies, the demand policy, the return on investment, earning per share are strongly influenced on the credit rating. Okay. Last one, eighth one factors ನೋಡುವ. Corporate governance. The corporate governance or business activities regarding the transparency in working of corporate sectors have its impact on the rating of the instruments. The relationship between the shareholders and company is to be considered for the credit rating. These are all the factors of credit rating. Before going to give credit rating to the hotels company ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್, ಎ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡುವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.